The Prime Minister continues to back mental health fundraiser Gumboot Friday after its founder Mike King said alcohol was a solution for people with mental health issues. Christopher Luxon says he doesn't agree with the comments, which have been widely criticised, but he says he won't be reviewing the organisation's $24 million of public funding, saying Gumboot Friday has fantastic results. Laura Tupor has more.
It's Gumboot Friday and lots of people across Aotearoa got on board.
Gumboot up!
All to raise money for counselling for young people. The Prime Minister, also a fan.
Thank you for supporting them.
Even after controversial comments from its founder, Mike King.
Alcohol is not a problem for people with mental health issues. It's actually the solution to our problem. I would suggest to you that alcohol has prevented more young people from taking their own lives, that it actually takes their own lives.
King later took to social media to clarify.
I did not say that drugs and alcohol are a cure for mental health problems. But by the same token, for a lot of us, they are not the cause of mental health problems either.
The Mental Health Minister, Matt Ducey, and myself don't agree with those comments. We think alcohol harm's a serious issue in New Zealand. That's why you've seen us lift the alcohol levy, even the time that we've been in government. But that doesn't detract from the fact that this is an organisation that's doing fantastic work.
The head of Outline Aotearoa, a rainbow mental health organisation, says Mike King's comments were nuanced and not easily understood by the public.
We understand as clinicians and as professionals in the mental health space what he means when he says things like this. But Mike isn't media trained and he's not a clinician, and he has a lot of responsibility on his shoulders.
Even more so after the I Am Hope Foundation, that's behind Gumboot Friday, received $24 million of government funding that didn't go through the usual procurement process. Labor says that decision should be reviewed, but the Prime Minister says that won't be happening.
This is an organisation that has delivered results, and it is making a difference in making sure we can open up access to mental health services to our young people who desperately need it.
Emmeline Pickering-Martin is against how I Am Hope got public money and is challenging the government to fund for more varied services.
Just to pour it into talk therapy for young people, that is one option for mental health care, a single one. And not all young people like talk therapy. It's Māori and young people especially in a clinical setting.
And although the Prime Minister repeated multiple times today,
I wouldn't play politics with this.
A bit rich to be saying let's not play politics with young people's mental health, because that's what this government has been doing the whole time they've been in power.
Pickering-Martin says more resources are needed to help everyone with their mental health.